Welcome to lesson number 9. In today's lesson, we are going to look at animation again, like the previous two lessons that we had, where we animated the bat and we animated the girl that kicked the soccer ball into the goal, and the referee blew the whistle. Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to look at animating your name. So we're going to start by, you guys can delete Scratch Cat, and then we go to sprites, and we are going to choose the letters of your name. My name is Yaku, so I'm going to choose J, and I'm going to choose A, C, and O. Okay, so now, oh my goodness, there's a butterfly. Okay, we're going to delete the butterfly. Okay, maybe I clicked too fast. Okay, now let's arrange the letters in their starting positions where we want to let them start each time. So I'm going to start it like this, the A a little bit lower, the C on top again, and then the O there. Okay, now let's choose our backdrop. Because we're making the animation is going to be like a party, a music party, so let's do music. And we get the spotlight, and there we go. We're going to make the letters dance around on the screen, on the stage. Okay, so let's start with our starting positions. So if I click on J, you'll see the letter J appear on the right top of your programming screen. That means we are going to write the program for J. If I click on A is going to appear there, and we're going to write for A. So let's start the position A. So let's see, or for J, sorry. And each time we click the flag, we are going to animate our name. So what we're going to do is we are going to set size to 100, because we're going to play a little bit with the sizes. We are going to clear graphic effects, because we're going to change colors, and then it must move all the way to that position, X minus 104 and Y 19, and look in the direction of 90. Okay, so let's go to A. The same with A. We're going to do exactly the same for all 4 of them. So set size to 100. Clear graphic effects. Go to X minus 43 and Y 7, and point in direction 90. Okay, so now we're going to go do it for C. Okay, events, green flag, looks, set size to 100, clear graphic effects, go to 1640, x16, y40, and look in direction 90. Okay, the last one. Okay, so my name is nice and short, so you guys with the longer names, you guys are going to write more programs. Okay, so looks, set size to 100, clear graphic effects, go to X that, and point in direction 90. And now we can just maybe test it and see if it works. Okay, so let's just press the green flag, and the letters pull back to their starting position. Perfect. So let's start with J. So now we're going to write the program. So with J, we are going to let it go bigger and smaller. We're going to make it go bigger and smaller. So each time we start by pressing the touch sensor, and we're going to put it in a forever loop, and we are going to change the size of our change size by 100. So we're going to change size by 100, wait for 0.25 seconds, and then we can copy it again, duplicate, change it to minus 100. Okay, so let's just stop it there. Go there. Let's just press spacebar. Yes, and it works. It goes bigger and smaller. Then, now, while it's doing that, we want our J to move around on the screen. So we're gonna do a loop, and we are going to say to it, okay, glide to a random position. Okay, so it must look like it's having a party. It must glide all over the screen, and we're gonna say change color each time you glide. So change your color each time you glide. So let's just test it. We're going to just test this one, and then we'll do the other ones. So there it changes color and it glides to different positions. Okay, so let's just stop it here, and we're going to add a sound for this one. So let's just press another space bar. We are going to put another space bar and a loop, and we are going to choose a sound, a music sound. So I know I like the bossa nova. So let's just go to all. Choose a sound. We go down a little bit. Bossa nova, here it is. Okay, so there it is. Listen to it. Nice sound to it. Okay, so now we're going to play a sound while the letters are moving on the screen. Play sound until done, and then start all over again. Okay, cool. So now we can move on to number A. Now with A, we want it to spin around, so we can do again. So for each of them, we're going to have 2 space bars and 2 unlimited loops. So 2 space bars, 2 unlimited loops, and with this one, with the letter A, we're going to let it spin around. We're going to let it change 15 degrees each time, and then change the looks. We're going to change the color by 25, change color by 25, and while it's doing that, it must glide to a random position. We can just maybe test it and see if it works. Here we go. That looks perfect. Okay, so now let's reset it again. Okay, so now with C, we're going to do the same as we did with J. So we're going to have 2 spacebar blocks, but with this one we're not going to add a sound. It's only with the first one that we're going to add the sound. And forever and forever, and we're going to make it change size, looks, change size by 100 for 0.25 seconds, and we're just going to copy it, and we're just going to say minus 100. Okay, let's just reset it again. So there's our sizes, and now it must move around, and we're going to do the same. It must move to a random position, glide to a random position, and each time it gets there, it must change the color of the letter for us. Change color by 25. Cool. Okay, so let's do the O. The O, we're going to do it exactly the same as with the A. So we've got 2. Two. Now with the letter O, it's not really going to look like it's spinning. But let's try it. Go looks. Turn 15 degrees and then change color. Change color. And then we can do another loop. And we are going to say to it, okay, move around on the screen. Glide to a random position. So let's just test it. There you go. But now see, the colors look the same the whole time. So we wanted to change the whole time. So let's just see. Let's see if we can change the colors a little bit. Let's see if we wait before everything starts with the colors. Let's just say here, wait. Wait 1 second before it starts. With the other one, let's go to A. Wait 2 seconds before it starts. J can start immediately. C we can make 3 seconds before it starts. Let's see. We can change the colors or make the colors different for each letter. Okay, so let's see. There we go, that looks a bit better. C and J looks the same, more or less. That's fine. Great. So now you guys can create your own name or your letters of your name and create your own party. See what different shapes and different colors you can make your letters, and yeah, maybe you can send it to me and I can check it and see how you guys did. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in lesson number 10. Thank you.